welcome back to Too Crazy About Wood. Recently I bought some of these square hole cutters, mortising cutters. I really don't know what to call them, but anyway, that's what I'm going to call them. And I had the idea of attaching it to my drill press, and I actually even found one of these at a garage sale, but turns out the diameter right here doesn't match my drill press, so can't use it. So looked on YouTube, and I noticed somebody had made one out of wood. They had made one where the side panels kind of went past. They screwed in here and into the side of the upper plate. So I figured out what I'll do is, because there's a lot of force needed when you make drill press mortise square holes. So I figured I'm going to put the plate on top and the plate below, and then put the wood between. That way it'll take the stress and it won't all transfer to the fasteners. So anyway, this is what I came up with, and it works. I cut some mortise square holes through maple and also through this piece of ash, so it has no issues working. I'm not sure, I haven't used the big ones, that'll probably be a different story, but I have realized something, that my drill press doesn't have enough space between the chuck and the bottom, so I can only do small pieces of wood. I think the maximum I got is 3.5 inches, 4 inches max, because of the space between here and here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I decided to use oak because it's a nice, strong and durable wood. The upper plate will be fastening to this flange at the top of the drill press. It's important to put the mortising drill bit in place and tighten it into the chuck so that you can get the correct distance between top plate and the bottom plate. And you want to measure between the plates, and that's obviously going to be the size of your side wall plates. Obviously, you want to make sure to cut this hole just slightly larger than the top of the mortising bit, so that that flange can sit snug and not slip through. Time to put this thing together to see whether everything fits and works. So let's have a look. I drilled a hole for a screw to hold the mortising bit in place so that it wouldn't swivel or turn.
Well, let's give this a try. This is the first time I've used it. Seems to be working, but that is just fir. It's a softer wood, and let's see what it'll do with a hardwood. I'm obviously going to have to make some kind of a holding jig to hold the wood down so that the mortising bit will come free when I lift the drill press up.